Good morning to you. It's misty and it's murky out there for many of us. Should be some usable weather though if you're off for a dog walk, for instance, but if you are travelling, could cause 1 or 2 delays, I think, because we've got some fairly dense fog patches in places. This is the picture in York. Many of us waking up to similar skies, not everywhere. There is a bit of sunshine if you're lucky enough to be seeing it, but if you've got the mist and the fog, it's going to be lingering in places potentially all day, especially anywhere over higher ground and around some of the coasts as well. That fog just sticking around because we've not got much breeze to blow it away. We've got high pressure, not a lot of isobars on the map that show us there's not much wind, and the air is mild and it's moist, so you can see the yellow colours with that warm air mass coming in from the Atlantic, bringing us that blanket of low cloud, mist and murk. So foggy conditions for much of England, Wales, Northern Ireland too. For Scotland, we've got a little bit of rain, just a weak weather front draped across parts of western Scotland. Some sunshine for the east of Scotland, northeast England seeing some brighter skies developing, parts of Northern Ireland, East Wales too. So if you're to the east of higher grounds, you're more likely to see the cloud breaking up. But 7 or 8 degrees if you're stuck under the cloud all day. Could see 11 or 12 in the brighter spells. Through this evening and tonight, mist and fog are once again becoming quite extensive, especially across England and Wales. We've got low cloud, drizzle coming out of this cloud at times as well. Some clearer skies working in across the north of Scotland overnight. And for most of us, it's not going to be frosty, with temperatures between about 4 to 9 to start your weekend. So Saturday, pretty similar day to what we've got today across much of England and Wales. Again, pretty cloudy. Some breaks towards the east of higher ground. A weak weather front across Northern Ireland and Scotland, bringing some cloud and a few spots of rain, but it's tending to fizzle out. So we're seeing brighter skies tomorrow across the northern half of Scotland, with a few showers moving in, and temperatures again between about 7 to 11 degrees. So a little bit above average if you do see the cloud breaking. Into Sunday, and this weather front is still with us as that squeezes a bit further south. We'll see more of a breeze developing, particularly for Northern Ireland and Scotland, so a slightly windier day with some persistent rain for central Scotland. Further south, by Sunday, you're more likely eventually to see that cloud breaking up. So a little bit more blue sky as that breeze breaks the cloud up. 10 or 11 degrees for most of us on Sunday. That weather front's still with us for Monday. It's bringing more rain, perhaps even some mountain snow across Scotland. Northern Ireland and parts of northern England also seeing a little bit of rain on Monday, and then colder conditions working in from the north. So look at that, just 2 degrees in Lerwick, still mild, double figures and mostly dry in the south, but it does look like this mild air that's with us at the moment will just get shifted away through the course of next week. We could see some fairly stormy weather actually as it does move out the way, opening the doors for something colder towards Wednesday, which is of course New Year's Eve. So we start off next week still on that mild note. Quite a bit of wet and potentially windy weather through the middle of the week, and then it looks colder, perhaps even some wintry flurries in the north through the beginning of January. Back to you both.